What is going on, YouTube? Right now I'm being a little quiet because we're out in the middle of nowhere. Not really. We're on Doctor's Lake, we're up at Penns Creek, and as you can see behind me, I'm not on the shore. I'm actually in a john boat that I rented from Whitey. I've got Kimber with me. And Whitey's, not Whitey. I've thrown out the deeper, and we're kind of recording that. We got it off here. I've got the attachment here, but the boat sits too high out of the water. I think it won't bend down and connect, but we've been looking through some stuff here. Depth has pretty much stayed the same. I don't know how well you guys can see that. Depth is looking pretty good. This is what we're looking at in our surroundings here. This looks like prime bass material here. I've been marking fish as we've been coming up into this little creek here. So we're gonna throw out some bait and hopefully hook up into some fish. It is currently 4.4 feet, so I'm gonna throw on, we also got some live shiners as well, so we're gonna throw those out. I'm gonna throw this about 1.5 feet. I'm gonna put the bobber about 1.5 feet down, so it's kind of near the top of the water, and hopefully we'll get a bite on that. Reel and reel. Just don't stop it on, don't stop it on, don't stop it on. Just reel. Don't hold, just reel. Just reel. There you go.
No, but I still have it.
Good job, baby. Keep reeling, keep reeling. There you go, there you go. Okay, 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 okay. Keep reeling, keep reeling. There you go, there you go. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, bring it low, keep reeling, keep reeling.
It's not reeling.
I know, it's okay, it's okay. There you go.
What's that?
Okay, there you go. Hang on, hang on. Okay. Yeah, I did it. He's also got teeth. Oh, okay, that was close. Oh my God, what the f is this? Yeah, it's a really big fishy. We get that on film? I got it on my GoPro. Did you get it on yours?
Yeah.
My GoPro is actually about to die, so let me get the camera. Oh my God. Hang on, let me babe. Careful. Careful, okay? There you
Better
go.
not put that on the camera.
I'm not gonna put that's fine. So Kimber with the first fish of the day. Babe, show us what you got. Oh, turn to the side so we can see it. Oh my goodness. Look at that. That is, I'm pretty sure that's a bowfin. It's got some pretty gnarly teeth. I'm pretty sure that's a bowfin. We're gonna get a weight on it and let this bad boy go. All right, 5.22. Kimber's fish, she reeled it in all by herself. You guys just saw that. Bowfin. 5, oh wait, hang on. Yeah, wait, there you go. 5.26, 5.29. All right, so we'll say 5.25 just to round it off. All right, 5.25. First fish of the day. Pretty sure it's a bowfin. We're gonna get the release. We're gonna do some underwater footage, and then we'll talk to her afterwards. What happened? What were you using for bait? Shiners. Boom. From Whitey's Fish Camp. There are some big freaking shiners. You cast out. You got a float rig right there. So what happened? It just started going down. You started reeling.
Yep.
Boom. All right, let's go catch another one, babe. How did you get the first fish of the day again? That's crazy. So I've got the deeper out right now. We're gonna kind of go down. As you can see, we're in kind of a creek area. So we're gonna move down, see what we can find. We got this, it's a hard jointed sunfish, and then I've got a soft swimming mullet. So, I don't know, babe, which one do you think I should use? This one? Okay. We're going with the hard sunfish.
Babe. Yeah. Is that a bass? Ah, your line.
Oh,
Get your line.
Alright, you're good. Stop. Bring it right next to me. Right next to me.
Is that a bass?
Yeah, it's a bass. Stop. So Kimber just caught another fish. That is 2 fish for Kimber. Sorry, I'll get out of your sun here. 2 fish for Kimber, no fish for me. There's a bass. This is definitely her biggest bass, so we're gonna get a weight on it and take some pictures and let it go. Oh wait, hang on. 2.05. It's a 2.05 bass, babe. Woo! Good job. All right, let's get the release and get out of here. Okay. course you would. Oh, see what happens? Gonna keep tension on it. Come on, baby, reel in. Baby. No way. I've got a fish and my up. Oh my God, this is not happening. Nope, he let go. And I had a bite though, I had one. Ah, we gotta go back. All right, we'll come back next time. I'll do my line was f***ed up. I f***ed up my line. Babe, outro at the dock?
Outro at the dog.
All right, what is going on, you guys? This is actually the end of a work day, so I look super dusty right now. I am finishing up editing the video that Kimber and I did. We had a lot of fun. Some of the footage didn't come out as well as I thought it would. Some of the underwater footage didn't come out as well as I thought it would, so we weren't able to use it. I'm still learning how to use the session, so that's good. But keep an eye out for the video that's coming out with Nick and I that I filmed the very next day on my kayak, which you guys saw. I'm also going to be customizing my kayak with rod holders and things of that nature, so you guys are gonna have videos on that to watch later in the next couple weeks and whatnot. But thank you guys so much for watching this episode of 904 Fishing. If you guys like this, like, share, and subscribe. Tell your friends about it. Post it on Facebook. I love to hear it. If you guys want to hit me up, you can hit me up at 904fishingflorida@gmail.com. I always get back to you, and I will see you guys next time.